Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Velocity channel, the bridge to financial freedom. In today's video, we're actually going to discuss how to maximize credit card rewards paying off loans. Now, this strategy will help you make the most of your credit card benefits and accelerate your journey to financial freedom. So without further ado, let's get into it. Let's start with section 1, all right? Understanding credit card rewards and loans, right? Before we dive into how to use credit card rewards while managing loans, we gotta first talk about what credit card rewards are, right? And how they work. So credit card rewards come in various forms, such as cashback, points, or miles. And they're a great way to earn rewards for purchases that you make every day. However, these rewards can only be valuable if used wisely. On the other hand, right, loans can be a burden on your finances, especially if you have multiple loans to pay off. Loans like car loans and mortgages as security, right, can take years to pay off. And the interest rates can add up quickly. But there are ways to manage your loans and still take advantage of those credit card rewards, right? So we're going to get into that. We're going to get into maximizing credit rewards while managing those loans, right? Now that we understand credit card rewards and loans, let's talk about how to use them together, right? The key is to have a strategy in place. First, make sure you're paying off your loans on time. Don't miss any payments. This is going to help your credit score in good standing, which is important when it comes to applying for more credit. And once you have a good payment history, you can start applying for credit cards that offer rewards that match your spending habits. For example, if you travel frequently, you may want to look for credit cards that offer miles or travel rewards. If you're a frequent shopper, look for cards that offer cashback on your purchases. Do you see what I'm saying? So it's important to remember to use your credit card responsibly and pay off your balance in full each month. And we're going to get into some credit cards that you could utilize, right? That way you can use those rewards, right, without paying any extra unnecessary interest. Let's get into section 3. Strategies to maximize your reward. So now that you know the basics, let's discuss some strategies to maximize those credit card rewards while eliminating those loans. I like the word eliminate, right? Choose the right credit card. You gotta look for a card that offers rewards that align with your spending habits and financial goals. If you're someone who frequently travels, please keep in mind, you got to make sure that you're getting that credit card that is for you. And make sure you read that fine print, right? Because the big print giveth, but the small print taketh away. So now, if you're looking to maximize those credit card reports or rewards, here are 3 cards that you can consider, right? Number 1 is the M1 Owner's Card. This is the card that offers up to 10% cash back on purchases, which can be reinvested for long-term growth. You can earn a baseline of 1.5% cash back on everyday purchases and unlock higher reward tiers of 2.5%, 5%, and 10% cash back with the M1 Plus. How many fees are there? There is no annual fee, right? This includes zero liability and exclusive experiences, okay? So upgrade rewards, that's the number 2. With this card, you can earn unlimited cash back on payments, including 3% on home, auto, and health categories, and 1% on everything else after you make payments on your purchases. How many fees does this one have? No annual fees, no activation fees, no foreign transaction fees, right? That's what makes it a great option for those who want to save money. Plus, you can see if you're qualifying minutes without hurting your credit score. And we got the last one by Upgrade Bitcoin Rewards. This is the card that offers unlimited 1.5% back in Bitcoin rewards after you make payments on your purchases. You can pay with your phone or device using Apple Pay or Google Pay and enjoy the peace of mind with $0 fraud liability. This card also has no annual fees or foreign transaction fees, making it a great choice for those who want to earn rewards in cryptocurrency. Now, always remember to choose a card that aligns with your spending habits. I'm saying that a lot because it's very, very true, right? Just because someone gives you an option of a card doesn't mean it's for you, right? And that's why we use the tool, right? We got to have a velocity banking tool that helps us with that. Now, here's the big one, and it's going to be controversial, so just watch out. Pay your loans with the credit card. Now, some lenders allow you to make loan payments with a credit card, right? A shout out to Plastique and Teal. This can help you earn rewards on your payments, but be cautious of those transaction fees, folks. While it may be tempting to pay off a loan with a credit card to earn rewards, always pay off your credit card balance in full to avoid interest charges, if that's what you want to do. Also, consider the potential impact on your credit score, as paying off loans with credit cards can impact your credit utilization ratio. Absolutely, let me let that sink in. Use those rewards to pay off those loans. Okay, how are we going to do that? Well, we take those rewards and then apply it to the principal that's in that loan. For instance, if you have a cashback reward of $100, consider using that to attack that principal. Now listen, the principal is what the interest feeds off of. That's why we want to use our lines of credit to eliminate our loans, because that's going to help us, not only in the long run, but in the short run as well. Let's go to section 4. Tips for managing credit card usage. Now, while maximizing credit card rewards can be beneficial, it's essential to manage your credit card usage responsibly. Now, I'm going to give you some tips so that you know how to do that. Always pay your credit card balance in full. Always. And on time. Now, when is on time? On time is early, right? Late payments can affect that impact and impact your credit score in a negative way. So we want to make sure that we're doing that, all right? Keep that credit utilization low. And that's how you're maintaining a good credit score. Your credit utilization is the amount of credit you're using compared to your total available credit. Ideally, you want to keep it under the 30%. That high credit utilization, well, that can actually alarm lenders. They may be like, hey, this person is taking on too much debt, and that's going to impact your credit score in a major way, all right? So monitor your credit card transactions as well, right, regularly to detect any fraudulent activity. And listen, fraudulent charges can happen to anyone. I remember my friend was over there in California, and guess what? He left California, and someone was still using his card, y'all, all right? Listen, and this was a debit card, unfortunately. If it was a credit card, it would have been safer, to be honest. He would have gotten his money back much quicker, but it was a debit card. So, but I'm glad he got all of his money back, right? About $4,000 worth. So listen, in conclusion, maximizing credit card rewards while paying off loans can be a smart financial strategy if you do it responsibly. By choosing the right credit card, making loan payments with your card, and using rewards to make extra payments, you can accelerate your journey to financial freedom. Just remember to manage your credit card usage wisely by paying your balance on time, keeping your credit utilization low, and monitoring your transactions for fraud. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe for more financial tips. God bless, and you have a great night.